Hey, what's up? Welcome back to this new video about my dreadlock. In this video, I'll be showing you some cool, easy dreadlock hairstyles that you can use when you have short dreadlocks, and especially when you have young dreadlocks. That means they don't have to be very old or very mature. These are just kind of beginner's hairstyles, and they're really easy, and yeah, you can basically do these whenever you want. These are just 5 easy hairstyles, and watch till the end to see a bonus hairstyle that I have thought of. Yeah, so let's start off with number 1. So the first hairstyle is probably the simplest one. It's the one where you just put your hair up in a bun or use a hair tie. All you'll need for it is this here, just a normal hair tie. And you wrap your hair together. You can even put one of these thinner bands that I'm showing right now around your hair in case your dreadlocks aren't long enough. If dreadlocks do start slipping out or aren't long enough, then you can push them underneath or in between other dreadlocks. The second hairstyle is with the loose band, so like one of these longer, thinner hair ties. Basically what you do is just you tie this hair tie around your head to kind of keep all the hair up. The third hairstyle is using a bandana, and you fold it so that the 2 tips go to each other. And then you start rolling an inch wide, and then you just roll it up. Take the dreadlocks that are above the bandana and tie those up into a ponytail. Then you take it, put it against your head, and tie a double knot. I like pulling out single individual dreadlocks to kind of hang over the bandana. The fourth hairstyle is with braids, and this one takes a little bit longer to do. What you do is just you part your hair in half. And then you just do normal cornrow braiding. And when you get to the end, you want to tie it and secure it. The fifth hairstyle is what I call the turnover. You part it first. Take it from the middle down over to the side of your head, and then you take a section from the top again and put it over that section to the bottom. And when you get to the end, you want to tie it and secure. So those were the 5 main hairstyles and easy hairstyles that I have for short dreadlocks and young dreadlocks. Hope you enjoy this video, and I will be looking forward to the future making more dreadlock videos because it's really fun. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please, if you did, leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope that I can help you out in the future. And because I promised it, here's an extra bonus hairstyle I have that I came up with and I think is really nice as well. So the bonus hairstyle is just keeping your hair open. I know this sounds kind of crazy, but I think that the hair open has just kind of like a really relaxed, pure kind of look. And as you can see, it looks very nice. A tip for this hairstyle is, I mean, you can just wear your hair open and just leave it just the way it is. But what I like to do is I like to take the back and just pull it up like this a little bit so that it doesn't just go like this and then end flat on the back. You know, that it's nice and round the head and it falls evenly. So yeah, you just take it a little bit like that. And another little tip, that if your hair is hanging in your face, you just take the strand of hair or the dread that's hanging in your face, and you put it over, and like with the turnover, you just put it underneath another dreadlock, and then that will take it out of your face and just keep it back a little bit. And you can do this with any dreadlock, I guess, and that's just a really easy way to control your hair and where it sits and where it flows and stuff like that. That was the bonus hairstyle, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, as I said, I will be making more dreadlock videos in the future, and I hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am. But yeah, thank you for watching the video, and bye.